Hello adventurers and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm still caravanning with Riley and we're going on a little bit different kind of adventure today. We're going in search of a shower. Now, a lot of times, as you know, I have a shower that I can pop up from my van independently. Also, I use a lot of gym showers. Sometimes I will go to a truck stop for a shower. But along the way, one of the things that I like to do is use iOverlander to find water and showers along the way. Today we found a great one. We're super excited. It's very inexpensive and they have Wi-Fi and a cafe attached. So I thought, why not share this one with you? This one's a great one. Again, findable on iOverlander, and the listing looks like this right here. Now we have a great campsite here, so Riley's actually going to be leaving her Subi here. We're going to be taking the van and driving to the place. It's only about 5 or 6 miles away, and so I thought this was a great time for us to reserve our spot because this is a very popular campsite, which you're going to find out about on a different video that we have coming up. But yeah, this is going to be our spot marker. We also have our tables and chairs out, so we're going to move them up just a little bit. This is kind of at the end of an outlet, so a lot of people have been super confused that the road continues, so that's why it's necessary. But with that said, let's go. This is going to be great. I need a shower. I just took a nice little haircut the other day, and I haven't washed my hair since. I did one of my little shower caps, which was great, but there's nothing that can substitute for a fresh shower. Okay, Riley, are you ready?
I'm so ready.
Do you have your computer and your also shower bag?
Yes, I do.
Sweet. And there's a cafe, so we'll probably be able to eat.
I'm really excited.
It's like lunchtime, so let's get in the van.
Okay.
Okay, we drove. It was like 6 miles away from where we were camping, not anything too far, and here we are. Yay! Now this is kind of a cool place because it also has a campground, a cafe, a mercantile, and showers. So we're gonna kind of go get an idea as to what to expect here, and Riley's getting Tyson ready too. It looks like they have some outdoor seating. Riley, isn't this neat?
This is pretty neat. I can't complain.
I mean, the hookups and stuff here too. Wow. I wonder how much a campsite is here. Like, look, there's sites like in the back too, it looks like. Very cool. Here on a Monday and it is busy, but it's about lunchtime, so I think that's why they're busy. Yeah, I think so. It smells really good though. Yeah. I also found this patch right here, which is a Forks one, and we've been seeing these little Sasquatch or Yetis everywhere, which remind me of the Mountain House mascot. So I'm gonna get this one to add to my patches on my roof because it's just kind of cute. While we're standing in line, I'm going ahead and figuring out what I want from the menu. It looks like they have burgers and sandwiches and baskets and breakfast, and then they have hot and cold options for drinks. So, lots of options, lots of thoughts, but don't know. Okay, so these are our showers for the day. All we have to do is go back here and find the shower building, and then we each have a shower. We decided to go ahead and shower first, and then we're going to eat after. That way we just feel fresh and happy, and we can kind of ponder that menu a little bit. There's burgers, sandwiches, and baskets, all of which sounded delightful, and I personally couldn't make a decision, and neither could Riley yet. So we're gonna go ahead and do this, and then also we have to find out about the Wi-Fi because it is listed that they have Wi-Fi, but I didn't see any whenever I pulled up the Wi-Fi choices. So yeah, we do have to work a little bit today. That's the other reason for coming here specifically, but I'm about to get my shower bag out of the van, and let's go take a shower. Riley's getting her bag too, and Tyson's gonna come with us and assess the situation. We're not sure how exactly this is gonna work yet. Realistically, Tyson probably needs a shower also because he fell into some seaweed and has been a little sketchy ever since. But we're trying to figure out where exactly we're supposed to go. They said there is a dirt road behind the building that leads you to a white building. And so there's two options. There's this one, which I think goes into more campsites, and then there's the other one, which is all the way over here. Okay, we think we found it. Yep, this looks like it. Okay, so that other road also led to here, so it's fine. Okay, so the shower rooms are in the back. We don't have to wait in line, and we have to push in a code and then deadlock it whenever we're inside. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. Okay, I see you. So it looks like there's plenty of space in here to spread out, to put our things down. There's a spot to keep everything off the floor. There's a couple of hooks here even. And the only thing that I don't love is this. Now I could push this closed for a little bit more privacy, which is what I think I'm gonna do. And then I'll just open it back up whenever I'm finished so it can get all of the moisture out of the room. Now, one other kind of interesting thing, that's the mirror. Lucky for me, I don't have to put on makeup or anything like that today. But yeah, so this is the room. One more look. All the necessities are here. And for two of us, it was $10. Now with that said, I'm gonna take a shower and I'll see you guys outside, because you can't be in here for that. You didn't think I was gonna take you and actually show you the shower, right? No, I need a little privacy for a minute. I'll see you guys in just a minute. Woo, guys, I feel like a new human now. Oh my goodness, that shower was amazing, and they have super good water, hot water, non-stop. You don't have a timer or anything, so just took some time. And I feel like a brand new person. But one thing, they don't have Wi-Fi. So we're gonna have to make a judgment call on if we wanna go ahead and stay here and eat, or if we wanna go ahead and venture a little bit further down the line just so that we can have the Wi-Fi, because Riley does need to upload her video and I could always use a little Wi-Fi to download a couple things. So, decisions. But I'm waiting on Riley so we can make this decision together. And I sent her a text message in the meantime, so I'm sure she just hopped out of the shower like, oh no! But even without Wi-Fi, this place is awesome. The food looks so good. So if we do eat here, I know that there's gonna be lots of options. The stickers and patches that they have are great. They have other cool stuff inside, and everyone was super friendly. So I did get a couple suggestions from inside as to where free Wi-Fi would be. They have some at the library and also the visitor center, but also a couple of cafes in town that they did suggest. So I don't know what's next, but we're about to find out. Okay, we came to a cafe yesterday. It's called the In Place, and we noticed they had Wi-Fi. So, since Riley needs Wi-Fi, we came back. And I'm improvising a little something interesting today because my laptop needs to be able to plug in, but a lot of places like this, because they're just a regular restaurant, don't have places that you can plug in. So, I brought a battery in with me. I've been testing this battery anyway, so this is a good way for me to test it. Doing this, also running my laptop, so I'm kind of interested to see how it works. But yeah, the one thing I'm having an issue with today though is after a shower, look at this. What is this? Now, is it the most practical thing to be eating lunch at a regular restaurant where other people are and pull out our laptops? Yeah, it is. If they have Wi-Fi, we try to always make the most of it so that we can be in town as little as possible and out adventuring as much as possible. And so sometimes you just make a little bit of a lunchtime compromise. We're eating some delicious food, but we're also working. Okay, so the Wi-Fi here is a little iffy, but at the same time, it's working. I got one video uploaded. Riley's still working on hers. The food is good though, and so I don't mind sitting here a little bit longer. And in fact, if I have a little bit of extra room, I might find some dessert in my future. And yeah, who knows? Got the power station out. We're plugged in. We're doing our thing. We just look a little nuts because look at our table. Okay, I guess you guys can see we wrapped it up. I have a little to go. We got some coffee, and I am currently finishing up my video. But Riley, your internets have been giving you a hard time.
Yeah.
It's an ongoing battle here in this area, right?
I've been trying to get a video uploaded forever, it feels like.
It's okay. We're gonna go to the visitor center next.
Yeah, let's hope that works. And then like what stopped me too is that like I broke my laptop, but so now I finally have a new laptop, but now it's just downloading something to watch. But I had to re-download like all of my programs and reset a lot of my like fonts and stuff. I'm gonna get a video out today, hopefully.
This, guys, is the reality sometimes. It is what it is. But we're about to split our ticket and everything and tab out and then go over to the visitor center. I am gonna finish scheduling this one, but the Wi-Fi has been a little special today. Every place that we've been, it's us. I swear it's us. It is us. Okay, as you can see, this is the all power station that I have, and it actually fits into my little bag, so I just brought it in with me. Now, whenever I first got this, there's a few things that you'll see on my unboxing whenever that video comes out about the ports and the placement. You know, today that didn't seem to matter because I was using it in kind of a weird configuration, but I'll keep you guys updated on that. Okay, it is time finally to close the laptop. Now, we do have to go to another place. Riley's video is only at about 40-something%. The Wi-Fi is just not cutting it today. So we're gonna go to the visitor center now and see if we can't get it finished. Crossing our fingers, this day is a weird day. Okay, so we are on our way to the visitor center now, and we're gonna cross our fingers on this one. Wild day. I'm like in this pile right here, but I'm kind of in the open spot, like in the middle there.
And Aussie Van Man is
In this big pile. Where's D? D is up in that big pile.
This giant, I don't even know where Illinois is.
Dawn is currently in this massive pile. And so is Casey. Collie and Kyle. Where are Collie and Kyle? They're in Kansas. So they're in this pile probably.
Where's Kansas? Oh yeah, right here-ish, yeah.
And then Chantel's also in that massive pile up there.
Yeah.
Wow. Sarah and Aaron are property of the world, so they're somewhere right now. Okay, so we came here to the visitor center to use the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is okay. It's not bad. We picked up a lot of information for some other adventures that we're gonna go on, and I got some great tips of some things that I wasn't aware of since the last time I was in this area. But I'm gonna show you a little bit more of this property on an upcoming video because they have a Forks Timber Museum here, which is awesome. And also we picked up some information for the Twilight tour of Forks. So I think we're gonna be doing that on an upcoming episode as well. I just think it's kind of neat whenever you can tie in some of those fun movie ties. But yeah, we're gonna do that. Also, I am going to be doing a special video to kind of talk about some of the information that I just received very soon because I think it'll be helpful to you all whenever you're planning your trips also. So that'll be in the future. Just keep watching, but let's go do an update with Riley. Okay, Riley, other than the fact that Tyson is losing it, how is the uploading going?
I am now at 51%.
Yay! So I think that's where we're going to end up staying for just a little while. You can't camp here overnight, but you can definitely be in the parking lot until your stuff uploads. So that's a good thing. So I guess we're going to end this weird day on that note. And I'll come back here with you all very soon. But until then, this is where we're going to be, guys.
53%.
Small victories, 53%. If you've enjoyed coming along with us just to see a regular day, a regular but weird day in van life, then please leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and be looking for those other videos. Gonna be some good stuff, some really interesting, fun things, and I cannot wait after this stop to show them all to you. Till next time, guys, bye!